Traveling with your small dog just got safer and more comfortable thanks to the KANGREST Dog Car Seat. Designed specifically for pets up to 30 pounds, this car seat offers a secure spot that fits effortlessly in both front and back seats of sedans, trucks, and SUVs. The universal design means no fuss during installation, so you can focus on the journey ahead. Safety is the top priority with KANGREST. Equipped with adjustable shoulder straps and a buckle-adjustable leash, this car seat keeps your pet firmly secured. The non-slip base prevents any sliding, while the seatbelt channel ensures the entire setup stays locked in place. This reduces distractions and protects your furry friend from sudden stops or escapes during the ride. Comfort is just as important. The seat's surface features soft plush fabric that your dog will love to snuggle into. Underneath, high-density resilient foam cushions every bump and turn, smoothing out the road for a stress-free trip. Whether it's a quick errand or a long drive, your pet can relax in cozy luxury. Beyond safety and comfort, this car seat offers thoughtful extras. Side storage pockets keep toys, treats, or leashes within easy reach, helping you stay organized on the go. Plus, the seat's multi-functional design lets you detach the safety belt to transform it into a comfy dog bed. It's perfect for home use, camping, or outdoor adventures. Cleaning is hassle-free with KANGREST's fully removable design. Simply unzip the bottom to take out the foam padding, then toss the cover in the washing machine. Just avoid washing the foam itself to keep it durable and supportive for every trip. This easy maintenance means your pet's seat stays fresh and inviting. Measuring 20.86 by 19.68 by 11 inches and weighing only 2.8 pounds. This dog car seat balances portability with stability. It's lightweight enough to move around yet sturdy enough to provide dependable support. The gray-black color offers a sleek, neutral look that fits any vehicle interior. If you're looking for a reliable, safe, and comfortable car seat for your small dog or cat, the KANGREST Dog Car Seat is worth a look. It combines essential safety features with plush comfort and practical design, making every ride more enjoyable for both you and your pet. Ready to upgrade your pet's travel experience? The KANGREST Dog Car Seat offers peace of mind, comfort, and versatility in one package. Try it when you're ready to make every trip safer and cozier for your furry companion.